exclusively for you.
Hello again. Today I'd like to talk about something that has to do with convenience of using the browser, and that is to be able to jump from long pages all the way to the top by simply clicking on a button, bookmark in this case. Actually, to be more accurate, Bookmarklet. And if you're not sure what bookmarklets are, or don't worry about it, it's going to be really simple and it's a convenient way to do things. So let me jump into the screen here. I actually shared it. We go to this website, and you can see that there's this article, and if I scroll, there is a lot of scrolling to do. It's a very, very long article. Okay, so we scroll, scroll, scroll. I can even grab the scroller, and you can see it's just a very, very long article. And so in some cases, they put buttons at the bottom here, like this one that says jump to top, and it jumps right to top. But in many other cases, they don't do that, in which means you're sitting here, and the only thing you can do is either hit the home key, which jumps to the beginning, but you have to use move the hand away from the mouse, or you have to use another hand, and you have to find the home key. It's a little bit of a hassle to jump between mouse and keyboard. So it's easier to just simply go ahead and click on the bookmark here, and it jumps us right to the top. Makes it much, much quicker and much easier to go to the top. And that works on every page. And the magic to do that is in this command in JavaScript called Windows Scroll To. So this is the command you want to write down and record, and that's the command you'll be using in your bookmark, or in this case they call it Bookmarklet, which is bookmarklets are like bookmarks, except they have some functionality to go with them, not just a link to a website. And so this bookmarklet is gonna allow us to do exactly what we need with just a click of a mouse to go right to the top of the page. So go ahead and write this down, and then we'll jump back into the browser here, and I already have one set up, but I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it, and let's go ahead and create a new one. So let's say we wanted to create a new go to top button. So all you have to do is just drag existing website over to the Bookmarks bar. And by the way, if you don't have the Bookmarks bar, if you have something that looks like this, you hit Control-Shift-B as in boy or as in bookmark to get it so it's visible. You want to have this bar visible all the time. And then you can go ahead and place things on it by dragging them from the address, the left side of the address bar, all the way down here. And so here it is. I don't need this. What I want to do is I want to use this, think of it as a placeholder. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on it, select edit. I'm going to change the name to be go to top. And I'm going to change the URL to be my JavaScript command. So I'm going to erase what's there and type in the command. Again, you can just copy it from where you recorded it if you don't remember, because it needs to be exactly right. And so we're doing window.scroll to 00 semicolon. Okay, so that's the command we need. The only command we need to be able to do this, and we click save, and that's it. So now we have this bookmark here that says go to top, and it'll execute this command when we click on it. So let's test it. Let's scroll down the page and then click on go to top, and there we are. And if we go to some other website, doesn't matter what it is, and we scroll down the Instagram, for example, page, as far as you want to scroll, and then we click on go to top, jumps us right to the top. Okay, perfect. So it works exactly as we want it to work. Any other websites we go to is going to work exactly the same way. Identical. So perfect title here, simple and boring. I hope you found this information useful for you and potentially for your business. Please feel free to share it with your friends and anybody else you think might benefit from this. And certainly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the little bell to make sure you get notifications of all upcoming videos. Thank you.